Hey guys, Wednesday 4th of September 2019. Yesterday we had a very quick call with a gentleman who's taking care of our Unimog, seeing it through MOT, that he was at the MOT station and it had passed. He said to call me today. He said call him today, and maybe it's happening today. It's 11 o'clock. I rang, didn't pick up. Got a message, call you later. Right back, one of those automated ones. Don't know. Bike's half packed. Just had a call from the guy, and apparently it's ready, but it can't be driven here. Morning.
Morning.
Saturday 7th of September.
And it's early.
It's early, yeah. We had to put the alarm on. The sun's kind of coming up.
And it's earlier than I usually get up for work.
Yeah, that says something, because she's a bit crazy. Anyhow, it looks like our Unimog's on the way. We just now, a few seconds ago, got a text message saying that ETA is within 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go out there and basically hang on the wall like a nosy kid or a dog.
I was going to say jump up and down, stand on the street and go, hey, is it coming? Is it coming? Is it coming?
Yeah. This whole situation seems a bit surreal because it feels like we've waited forever. And I'm sure that in the years to come this time is going to mean nothing, but right now it's been extremely frustrating. And just to make sure that nobody gets the blame, this isn't a person's fault or anything like that. This is basically just bureaucracy and things like that. So we're very grateful for everybody's effort that they put into it. And I'm sure that a day or two could have been shaven off here and there, but in the grand scheme of things, that's not a problem. No problem. But we're very grateful. So now we're just going to sit here for 25 minutes, walking in circles and twiddling our fingers, thumbs, and all that. So
I've just come to the conclusion that, like everything with Unimogs, everything seems to cost a bit more and take a bit longer. Yeah. So right. Typical Unimog.
Right. So now we're going to wait, and we're going to hopefully it'll arrive soon.
Yeah. Unimog.
Good morning.
He is fucking gorgeous.
Oh, good to hear.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh,
Morning. She is beautiful. Absolutely tremendous.
it's so nice to see a great big grin on your face.
as you can see, it's here. Finally. I can't believe it. What a cutie. Yeah. What a cutie. Little Mog. Just to get some sort of a scale. Yeah. I know. Why are you removing the gun turret? Well, it's not a military vehicle anymore. It's gonna be a house. Besides, we don't have a gun, so why have a turret? It just adds weight.
Go on, look it up then.
And more. It's spilled twice. To the Mogtoise.
To Mogtoise.
Come on.
Come on. It's a Unimog!